Hey everyone, if you want to move your investments from Questrade to Interactive Brokers, there are 3 ways to do it. I'll be showing you this on web. The first and most common method is an ATON position transfer. This moves your actual holdings without selling them. Log into your Interactive Brokers client portal, then click Transfer and Pay, then Transfer Positions. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to use and click Continue. In the transaction type list, select Incoming. From the country dropdown, select Canada. In the method list, select ATON. Now you'll see a broker information section. Fill in all the fields to identify Questrade. You'll need your Questrade account number, account holder name, and tax ID. Next, choose between a full or partial transfer. A full transfer moves everything from Questrade to Interactive Brokers. A partial transfer lets you pick specific assets. If you're doing a partial transfer, select No, then click Add Asset. Pick your asset type from the dropdown, choose your search type, enter the symbol, then select the asset from the results. Enter the quantity and whether it's long or short, then click Add. Repeat that for each asset you want to move. Once you're done, click Continue. Type your signature in the signature field, then click Continue again. The status will show Acknowledged when Questrade has confirmed the request. The transfer typically takes 5 days. When it's complete, the status will show Available and your positions will appear in your account. Questrade charges $150 for a full transfer out, or $25 for a partial transfer. If you'd rather move cash instead of positions, the next method is to withdraw from Questrade and deposit to Interactive Brokers. Start by logging in to Questrade. Go to Move Money in the top navigation, then select the Withdrawal section. Choose the account you're withdrawing from at the top. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, click Connect a new bank account and log in with your banking credentials. Choose your withdrawal method. EFT is free for amounts up to 50,000 Canadian dollars or 25,000 US dollars. Enter your withdrawal amount and submit the request. Questrade will send you an email when they've processed it, and the transfer takes 1 to 5 business days. Once the money's in your bank account, log in to Interactive Brokers client portal. Click Transfer and Pay, then Transfer Funds, then Deposit Funds. Select your deposit currency, then choose your deposit method: wire transfer, ACH, if you have a US bank account, or transfer from a Wise balance if you use Wise. If you're doing a wire transfer, enter your deposit amount and click Get Wire Instructions. Note the information that appears. You'll need that when you go to your bank to complete the transfer. Wire transfers typically take about 1 working day to reach your account. The third method is using Norbert's Gambit for currency conversion. Sell everything at Questrade, use Norbert's Gambit to convert to Canadian dollars, withdraw to your bank, deposit Canadian dollars to Interactive Brokers, convert to US dollars if needed, then repurchase your investments. This takes longer and involves many steps, so most people prefer the ATON transfer to avoid selling. Broker-to-broker transfers usually take 15 to 20 business days to complete, though there may be delays depending on Questrade's processing time. If you run into any issues, contact Interactive Brokers Client Services or Questrade support. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.